yummy coffee. So today we're gonna be making my favorite at-home iced coffee drink. It is so easy to make. Once you taste it, you're gonna be like, I need this at least once a week. I need this all the time. This coffee drink is so easy to make. It only requires 3 ingredients. It's vegan, gluten-free, all that stuff, and you can change it up a little. Basically, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a vegan caramel iced coffee. These are the ingredients. Some date syrup. I use the Devash brand. You obviously need some iced coffee. Today I'm just using the Kirkland. I need a creamer. My favorite creamers to use in this are either this oat milk brown sugar creamer from Trader Joe's or the caramel nut pods. The caramel nut pods is so good in it. I just ran out. We're gonna make 2. But yeah, these are the ingredients plus a cup of ice. Let's go. First thing we're gonna do before getting the ice in the cup is taking the date syrup. We're gonna rim the glass. This gives like the caramely effect. You know, like when you get an iced caramel macchiato or something from Starbucks and the caramel's drizzled. That's what we're doing here. And the great thing about date syrup is it's just like a lower sugar option, and it's literally just derived from dates, and it's sustainable, this company, which is amazing. We love that. So now let's add our ice. There you have it. That is the iced coffee. Literally so easy. Naturally caramely, yummy coffee. I don't know what else to say other than try it. It's so good. You'll thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it out, and I'll see you in my next one.